up, guys? Trying something new, a different type of voiceover, you know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm over here in the little box, as you can see. But this one's off a 2014 Dodge Ram Bedside. So as you can see here, you know, I'm cutting a big hole on the side of the bedside. I removed the bed off of the truck so I can have easier access to work on it, and I can get in and out and around and under and all that good stuff. But as you can see here, you know, I cut a hole from one side all the way to the other side where the tail light pocket is at. Then I begin cutting downwards all the way down, and I'm just cutting, like I said, a big hole around the bedside. People have asked me why I don't like cut it. Why I don't take it out completely, but I'm trying to see what's damaged and what's not damaged, and I'm also trying to. I was taught this way, and I believe it's way faster too. In my opinion, you know, everybody does their own thing. Everybody's different, but this is how I was taught, and to me, it seems a lot quicker and more efficient. But yeah, you know, as you can see, I'm still cutting the hole, making sure I don't damage the inner structure. I'm keep cutting all around. I cut down the middle, straight down the middle. And just I keep peeking, taking a look and see how far I can cut before I hit anything inside, and I do not hit anything inside. That's why I like to do this. And yeah, I just keep going from there. I keep cutting. And as you can see, I'm over here peeking, trying to see what's underneath there, what's behind, and what I can actually cut and what I can't cut. And what's good about this wheelhouse is that it doesn't go all the way down. Some trucks go all the way around, but this one is only like halfway. So I went and I cut through that. And I sped it up a little bit because, you know, you're seeing me cut a hole and I'm just trying to get around it. But I start cutting all the way across to get this piece off and kind of make like a little window and see where else I can cut around. And this only took maybe about 30 minutes or so, 45 minutes. That's why I believe it's faster just to cut around everything, because you're not going to use the panel anymore, so it doesn't matter how it comes out. It doesn't have to come out completely. It has to just come off the car. And I'm cutting here some more. And over here, around the edges where it's damaged, it's always kind of hard to get your chisel in there because it doesn't have a good grip and it slips off. But you just have to keep going at it, and it'll come off. But that's about it. I just wiggle it off, give it a few blows with the hammer, and it comes off. Then I go to the other side and I do the same thing, making sure I don't damage any of the inner structure. And I make another window, and it just comes off. Boop. Then I cut the lower piece off, and that one comes off as well. And as you can see right there, oh, switched. Then I just move to the back and I cut the corner piece. The corner piece is remaining. And this air belt sounder that I just showed you right there, I bought it off of Northern Tools. And it's pretty badass, man. Like, for the price and for how well it works, I was amazed. I really like it. I really like that. But anyways, I just grind all of the spot welds all along the inside that you can't see if the bed was on the truck. So I start grinding all the way down. Boom, 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 boom. All the way straight across. Later on in the video, you guys are going to see how it looks after it's been grinded down, so you can just come off like with easy access. You just wiggle it and it comes off. But like I said, yeah, this belt sander, it's fast, it's cheap, and it's pretty kick-ass. I had a Silver Eagle that I bought off of a tool truck, and it was about 180, I believe, and it was good, but it was all right. As you, I left my 3/8 impact gun on top, and that thing almost hit me on the head because of all the shaking that the belt sander was doing to the bed. The thing almost came down on my head. But there you go. That's what it looks like when it's been grinded down. It's like it leaves like a little circular rim where the spot weld used to be. And then I just go in with my air hammer and I chisel them out. And they come off like super easy. Just going straight down, straight down, straight down, straight down. And then it comes off. You just wiggle it off. Bam. That's it. Move on to the next. And as you can see, I grinded the top spot welds too. I'm just showing you like a kind of like a little mini walkthrough of what it looks like again. But you have to make sure that you like you grind all of the spot welds so it can come out smoothly. If not, you're gonna have trouble because some of like the spot welds are still stuck on there, and then it's not gonna come off. You're gonna have to go back and regrind it until it comes off. So just make sure you go even all around. And as you can see here, I just freaking wiggle it and most of it starts popping off. And then whatever I'm having a harder time taking out, I just go ahead and hit it with the air hammer. And that usually does the job. Your air hammer or your seam sealer buster with a hammer, same thing. This is just pneumatic, faster. Just getting in between the bed and the bedside. And then I just pull it apart and it comes off. If it's been grinded properly, it'll just come off. And then of course there's like some stubborn ones that don't want to come off, so you just give it a little love taps and it comes off. Over here I just grab my hammer and just tap it so it can come off. Damn it, my hand's getting tired. Damn. Just wiggle it, hit it, tap it, wiggle it, hit it, tap it. And boom, comes off. Right about now. And after it's been like hung with some vice grips and self-tap, what are they called? Self-tapping sheet screw metals, it's good to be welded. Well, not weld. Well, it's spot welded. I spot welded it. I didn't weld it with the MIG. I used the spot welder. I was able to use the spot welder all around because it gave me access to it. And here I go with this heavy. It's not heavy. It's just whenever you add the air pressure, like I said last time, it makes it super stiff to like move it around. But I spot welded it, left it like factory because it comes with spot welds. And yeah, I just had to go all around the whole truck. And it gets bonded pretty sick. I love this tool. It's just hard to maneuver. But yeah, I went all the way down. Then I got the lower, they had like 2 on the bottom down here, and I got those in there. And then after that, I think I did the inner wheelhouse. I did that all along the edge on the inside. And then I'll give you guys a quick walkthrough and see how that looks like. But yeah, just do that. And I keep going, keep going, keep going until I get to the end. But that's what it looks like. A nice little boom, a nice little dot. And that's what it looks like from factory. So this machine does what it does from factory. All along the bottom. But that's what it looks like, guys, man. That shit was pretty nasty. Like, all the corner was zoomed in. It was pretty bad, man. And new bumper, new exhaust. And this is what it looks like after. Woo. Boy, that looks clean. Damn it. Check it out. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys around.